خذ لك بريك، خذ لك كيت كات.
Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. David Costa, the Dean and CEO here at Robert Kennedy.
Test, 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 test. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at in the world. This is your boy Jamie, aka Cut the Rope. Bring it to you from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning to each and every one of you out there in Facebook land, YouTube land, and any other land. Man, let's just land together and just chill and have a barbecue. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and get it on. Guys, it's an honor to be here before you this morning. I know last week I was not available. I was out doing some things, and unfortunately, it conflicted with my schedule to be here with you. So I'm gonna make it up to you. I'm gonna make it up to you somehow this week and next week. All right, may need to stay on a little bit longer or something like that, but we'll work it out, right? You know, cut's always good for it. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this party started. Hope each and every one of you had a great week. A great week. I know I had a great weekend. Hope your weekend was blessed. And we're gonna go ahead and get started with our risk disclaimer. Future options and currency trading all have large potential rewards, but they also have large potential risks. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in these markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. That's right. Don't do it. 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 It would not be in your best interest. So don't take your rent money, your car money, your baby mama drama money, your hush money, and any other type of money. You know, Netflix money, cell phone bill, rent. Don't do that. 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 All right. So my intent is to make sure that you are protected. And if you're protected, that means we are protected here at Elite Traders University. ETU, on behalf of Dr. Greg McLeod, who is the founder, CEO, and senior educator of Elite Traders University. I'm gonna go ahead and bring up that site right now. All right, guys, this is where you need to be. This is where you need to be, baby, baby. Okay, you don't want to work. Oh, well, then fine. I don't know why it's acting funny this morning, but that's okay. That's okay. It's all about taking your trading to new heights with an ETU, all right? That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. You want to take your trading to new heights. I also want to go ahead and share something with you today. Is the Gold Rush Blueprint. That's right, guys. I want you, because I got a little surprise for you. I think Dr. Greg already shared it, but if he didn't, I guess I'm about to let the cat out the bag, if you will. This right here is called the goldrushblueprint.com. That's right, the goldrushblueprint.com. We're going to be trading for the whole month of March gold. That's right, GOLD, baby. Yes, XAU USD. Now we're going to be trading some other pairs, but Dr. Greg is going to take it upon himself to be trading for the whole month of March gold, or predominantly gold. And I want you guys to be part of that. All right. I want you to send a personal invite to each and every one. That's right, to each and every one of you to be involved in this. All right. And there's also a 100% free membership. 100% free. 100% free. That's it, free. Free. You ain't got to pay nothing. All right. Now I know everybody's going to be involved in that. All right. I know everyone's going to be involved in that. So please go to www.thegoldrushblueprint.com or thegoldrushblueprint.com. Get involved in that. So that way you don't miss out, and you can kind of get on the inside on why gold is popping the way it's popping. All right. Let's go over here now. Let's go over here to My Edge. That's right, My Edge, baby. My Market Heat Map. I love the My Market Heat Map. It is thebomb.com. I'm about to refresh it right now for each and every one of you. Yes, I am. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that you guys are straight. Everybody out there in YouTube land, Facebook land, what's happening? Good morning to you. Everybody out there in Zoom land, what's up? We're about to go ahead and do some great things this morning. All right, guys. So for the people who don't know about the My Market Heat Map, the My Market Heat Map is the edge of edges. All right. It's the tip of the top of the tippity top. Trust me. Once you get to the tip top, baby, you ain't never want to come back down. I promise you that. And this tool right here is going to give it to you. It is just not a heat map in reference to showing you what's popping and what's hopping. It also gives you some other tools, and we're going to kind of look at a few of those tools this morning. Currently, right now, we're looking at the Forex majors. That's right, the majors. The top 8, the big 8, if you will. And currently, right now, they're all gray. I wonder why. Maybe it's because there's no volume in the market. So let's go ahead and look at all Forex pairs real quick.
1 مليون العود الذهبي العطر الجديد الحصري.
What's going on, B Unplugged? What's popping? What's happening? Oh man, nothing but love from over here. What's going on with you? It's good to see you. It's good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. Thank you for showing up. All right. So right now, what's going on with every other pair, to include the exotics. All right. It's like exotics. What you talking about? Cut like Hawaii or something? No. I'm not talking about a destination or a place. I'm talking about the exotic pairs. Exotic pairs are like the US dollar against the South African rand, otherwise known as USD ZAR, okay? Or the Turkish lira against the Japanese yen, or the US dollar against the Mexican peso, okay? So when you look at that, guys, those are called exotics. And then we're looking at the secondary pairs. Secondary pairs like GBP NZD, or GBP AUD, or AUD NZD, or the Great British Pound against the Canadian dollar. So we're looking at things like that. And guys, I'm going to make sure I mute my phone. I do apologize. That should have already been done, but I had a few difficulties I needed to fix before we got on here. So I apologize for being a tad bit tardy. So I'm going to give it to you Dr. Greg's way on how to properly read the My Market Heat Map. When it's green, we're looking at buying. When it's red, we're looking at selling. If it's gray, stay away. If it's yellow, you might want to walk on by and go ahead and find something else to play with. All right. And that's basically how to use a My Market Heat Map. And currently right now, what's up there is the euro against the Turkish lira, USD Turkish lira, and USD SEK. So right now, what's really moving are the exotics. All right. I do trade exotics. I just don't trade exotics live. All right. For one reason is that the spreads are very, very large. Very, very large. And you really need to know what you're doing when you're messing around with exotic pairs, okay? Now, what's in the selling position is the Turkish Japanese yen. And I need to have this Skype, not Skype right now. Okay, perfect. There we go. All right. And it's still popping up, and I just closed it. All right, we got to fix that later. So right now, the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. So right now, the Japanese yen is strong right now. It's strong like King Kong. CHF, CAD, Euro JPY, AUD JPY. The JPY pairs are like right now in the dumpster. Now, why is that happening? If you look at the My Market heat map, ladies and gentlemen, right about here, you can see that the JPY basket, that's all the JPYs all wrapped up to one, is green, and it's in the second position. All right, it's in the second position. So that's telling you something. Hey, I might need to go ahead and check out some JPY pairs. All right, we want to go ahead and look at the news here real quick. Now, before we jump into the news, I wanted to share with you some other things that the My Market Heat Map has to offer. And guys, I'm telling you, you got a great deal on this. Dr. Gray, he shows a lot of love to people, okay? This right now is on sale for $19.99 a month, $20. All right, $20 a month. All right, I'm telling you guys, you're talking about what? 20 times 10, what's that? 200. So you're looking at 240 bucks a year? Man, that's less than $1 a day. Get out of here with that. Go ahead and invest in the My Market Heat Map. Go and invest in the My Market Heat Map. All right, guys, 240 bucks a year to be able to have your charts, quotes, economic calendar. We're going to look at that. Forex TV, financial news streams, technical analysis, the Forex calculator. It talks about also the volatility, central bank rates. I mean, come on. And not only that, get some tutorials with some free complimentary training with bonuses. What? For 20 bucks a month? Man, you better step off. Go play with your mama, but don't come here and play with me because I ain't no toy, baby. All right? So let's get on over here to the economic calendar, right? Guys, the My Market Heat Map has everything that you need all wrapped up in one. You need to go jumping around to all these different websites and pages and wasting your time. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Just go to buy the My Market Heat Map. All right. So today is March 5th. March 5th, Tuesday. It's currently 8:40 in the morning. And we're going to mosey on down. Okay, there we go. All right, we don't have any major news popping off until about 10 o'clock this morning. All right, so in about an hour and 20 minutes, an hour and 19 minutes, at 10 a.m., we do have red folder news, and that's the ISM services for the PMI. All right, and that's high news. That's red folder news to be exact. All right, guys. And when you're looking at the red folder news, you need to be prepared for that because that can move the market. All right, they're looking at it possibly dropping down 0.4 from 53.4 to 53 even. All right. Not a lot in that, but that could be detrimental on USD pairs. I've seen a lot less move the market. All right. And let's see if we got some other news. Yes, we do. We actually have some major red folder news that's going to be going on at 7:30 this evening, Eastern Standard Time. And the Aussie dollar is in play. The Aussie dollar is in play. By the way, I want to let you guys know that Dr. Greg is going to be trading the pre-London session. That's right, all the way through London. And I'm telling you, if you didn't make it early this morning, ooh-wee, did you miss out on a treat. Dr. Greg, that brother got paid. I might need to go ahead and borrow $20 from him, or more like maybe $200,000. You know, give me a good interest rate on that, you know, like 1%, right? We can go ahead and talk about that, okay? So later on this week, we've got other red folder news going up, but I'm mostly concerned about what's going to be happening what's really going to be happening when Fairchild Powell speaks. All right, he's going to be having his testimony at 10 a.m. on tomorrow. The major big Bahama, what I call the Bahama of all the mamas, is what's going to be popping off on, I believe it's Thursday. That's right. ECB rates, decisions on the euro, right, at 8:15 in the morning. 8:15 in the morning, and I may be able to jump on early for that. All right, because that's going to be some serious fun. And to include, on Thursday morning, big baby, we got the USD claims. That's right. Jobless claims is going to be popping off, guys. That's right. That's going to be, that's going to be major. Major. They're talking about no change. No change. No. I'm not going to be singing like Harold Belafonte on you, all right? But I will tell you this. Previous numbers was 215,000. They're looking at no change again at $215,000. Initial jobless claims. That's when people, they claim something called unemployment. But I'm going to tell you something. These ECB rates are going to be crazy for the euro at 8:15, all right? So, guys, be on the lookout for that. And also be on the lookout anytime that Fed Chair Powell is speaking. I'm telling you, that dude could say something crazy and that market just go berserk. So, all right, always remember, protect yourself. Always use a stop loss. All right, guys? So that's about it for the My Market Heat Map. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the Dixie of the Dixie. That's right. I'm looking at the US dollar. If you like the US dollar, I need you to put 357 in the doggone chat. That's right. And if you don't want to go ahead and push the button 3 times, go ahead and put 15, right? Because if you add that together, that's what it equals to. Baby. All right. But I want to say good morning to everybody. I'm glad that you're here. I'm glad that you're doing some great things. All right. Now, as you guys can see, you got a little artwork here, a little bit of artwork here on my charts. I ain't gonna tell you what it is. No. I ain't telling you nothing. I ain't doing it. I will say this. If you want to know what it is, you might need to reach out to me. As a matter of fact, you know what? Don't call me. Don't do it. I want you to reach out to Dr. Greg personally. That's right. I want you to tell him this. I won't end on what Uncle Cut got going on. That's it. Have a conversation with him. I promise you, it's going to be a conversation that is going to change your life drastically. All right, so I'm just gonna have to sit here and just watch what's going on. So yeah. I'm gonna be able to figure it out. Okay, I doubt it, but it's not a problem. All right, so right now, guys, we got a little bit of a retracement, and we have some consolidation popping off on the US dollar currently. All right, as you guys can see right here, right? Nice range too. Nice little range. All right. But overall, guys, we are in an uptrend. All right. Overall, we are in an uptrend. Trying to get back up to this price point here. Trying to get back up to this point right about here. But before we can get there, we got to get back up here. Then we got to get up here before we can think about getting all the way up there. All right. Because see, this is the yearly chart. All right. This is the yearly chart. All right. So one thing about Uncle Cut, I like to what they call boxing price. I like to put price in what they call. I want to put you in Facebook jail. All right. Well, we're not gonna put you in Facebook jail. We're gonna put you in Forex jail. All right. I promise you that. I'm gonna put you in Forex jail and keep you moving. All right. Now, I'm gonna move you around all the different parts of the jail so that way you can't figure out how to break out. All right, until I'm ready for you to break out. And then when you're ready to break out, I'll be ready to break out with you. And that way we can all get paid together. Y'all like that? All right. So currently right now, on this time frame, we are in a downtrend. We are making lower lows and lower highs, but something happened here. We broke out of that from a higher high to a higher low. That's for my structure people, okay? And no pun intended. You know, I love everybody. I swear I do. I do. I love everybody. So don't get it twisted, all right? Cut is not talking about you. I will make fun of you. I will do that. Trust me. You can make fun of me all you want. It don't matter to me. I like to laugh at myself. You can't laugh at yourself, something wrong. But anyway, we ain't talking about that right now. So we're looking at price to go ahead and continuously to push up. That's what I'm looking at. I want to see price continuously to push up and let this be the target at 107. And I'm going to be very frank and transparent for you. I'm going to look at the whole number at 107 even. That's where I'm looking at price to come back to overall 107 even. All right. And I'm going to put me a little something right here. A little something. Little something right there. All right. Let's go on down here to this thing we call the daily. All right. And now, if we look at the daily, all right, we are in a nice retracement. All right, we are in a nice retracement. So if I look at where price is, and I can say, you know what, we're within 75 to 50% of this last down move for this up move. Okay. All right. We're hanging around this 50% mark. And I think we're holding off and not going to have major movement until that news comes out or when Powell speaks. Okay. All right. But that's my analysis at this present time. All right. So let's go on here down here to the 4 hour. Now we got us a little bit of breathing room. Kind of straighten up my little line right here. I like my line. I like nice, neat charts. Nice, neat charts. Nice, neat charts. Okay. And we're just like hugging this right now. We're just hugging it right now. We're just like hugging bad. You know what I'm saying? We're like, hey, we just want to rock with it a little bit. Rock with it. Lean with it. Rock with it. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm back in my DJ days. I'm sorry. Forgive me. I was rocking and leaning with it there for a minute. But anyway, that's another story. So right now we are severely consolidated right now, right? We're coiling up like a rattlesnake, right? Ready out to reach out and just bite you. You know what I'm saying? So guys, right now, you know, this is looking a little funky. You know, like some brass monkey. I don't know if you know anything about brass monkey, boy. Ooh, Lord have mercy, brass monkey. That stuff was dangerous back in the 80s. Oh, anyway. Say no to drugs. Say no to drugs. All right. So price came up, came down, then came back up, and then came back down. It's like you had a Jay-Z concert. Look at that. Up, down, up, down, up, down. All you want to do is win no matter what. I mean, you just don't know what to do. But it's an interesting range. It's a nice range. So we're going to actually look at USD CAD. So that way you can kind of look at both of them and really see how and the reason why we look at the DXY. All right. So I'm not trying to do too much teaching, but I'm trying to get you into the mindset of how we do things here at Elite Traders University. And I'm going to be very transparent with you guys. I want you to really, really consider on giving yourself a shot at the title. Give yourself the opportunity to win so that way you can walk into your destiny and learning how to trade in these markets. All right. One thing Dr. Greg has done is put us in a position of power that we can use the training that we receive in his 4-step program. I know I did say previously for the last few months, his 3-step program. Well, guess what? Sometimes you just gotta turn it up a notch, right? Sometimes you got to turn the heat up. Sometimes you got to what? Raise those standards, huh? So that way you and I can become better. And that's what Dr. Greg has done. So he has now a 4-step program that will put you in a position of power. And I'm talking about a true position of power that you literally become a 70 to 82% passing ratio. That's right. That's your win-loss rate, 82%. I'm gonna tell you right now, you got traders out there that's at 60 to 70, making multiple 6, even some, not as many, are making 7 figures. But you get over that 75, ooh, you are seriously dangerous. You are somebody I wouldn't want to meet in a dark alley unless you was coming to save me. You know, I don't have God save me. But if he happened to send you to save me, because he might be a little busy working with something else, hey, not a problem. Save me. Please save me. Okay. But, I got your back as long as you got mine. Amen. All right. Good deal. So, all right, got that plug in on that for ETU. Got to keep ETU right there in your face. Got to, because I want to make sure you win. So, right now, price is just sitting here. Just sitting here. Just, I don't know if I want to go up, if I want to go down. I don't know if I just want to just sit here and just do nothing. Woe is me. No. We got to pop out of that. We can't have that, right? But that's what's going on right now. And guys, I'm going to be honest, to be very, very frank with you, I want to see what's going to be popping in the next 6 minutes and 20 seconds when that doggone New York session opens for the stock and the bond market, and then at 9:30 the foreign exchange market opens. So I want to see if we're going to get some volume in the market then. All right. So if I go down here to the 30, you're pretty much seeing the same thing. Right now, it's just in a real look at a little attitude right about now. They pouting. So we're going to let them pout on their own. So that way they can figure out where they're going. Don't ever have to force a move. Okay, guys? Remember that you do not have to force a move. Do not. So let's go up to USD CAD. All right. Because I love USD CAD. USD CAD, that's actually a nice pair. USD CAD. Oh, yeah, I remember this. Yeah. As a matter of fact, actually, Dr. Greg and I took this trade together. Yeah, we took this trade together. Hey, Dr. Greg, we got paid. I actually forgot about this trade. Ain't that something? How you forget about a trade, JB? Yeah, I actually did. I actually forgot about this trade. Made about 24 pips. That was a nice little scalp. That was a nice scalp. Made about 2% on that. Hot diggity dang. I gotta make sure Dr. Greg knows that. Because I know Dr. Greg's in a competition as we speak. Dr. Greg pushing. I'm telling you, he is always pushing the limit. All right. All right. Well, I'm going to leave this here because I don't want to lose that. But we're going to go to USD CAD, but we're going to look at it on a different platform. We're going to look at it on the Andas. All right. There we go. We're going to look at it on Oanda. All right. And we're going to do a quick top-down analysis. All right. Just like we did with the Dixie. All right. And as you guys can see, we're consolidating. Look at all this. Look at all this. I mean, oh man, look at that. Look at that, y'all. That is a nice range, though. I ain't gonna lie to you about that. That is a nice range. Now you're talking about, 2,600 pip range. Come on now, holla at your boy on that one. That's sexy right there. That's sexy right there. I like that. And to be honest with you guys, we are definitely in an uptrend. We are definitely in an uptrend, right? Okay. All right. Now we have some, relatively equal highs sitting up here. Relatively, not automatically, but there's relatively equal highs sitting right there. So you know what? We're gonna go ahead and put a little something on that. Just put a little something. A little something right there. Let me delete this because I like nice, neat charts. You can call me OCD all you want. I really don't care. I like nice, neat charts. All right. So we have that confirmed that we are in a uptrend. All right. No ifs, ands, or buts about that. Let's go ahead down here to that weekly, right? All right. So price is definitely pushing up. Look at that. Look at gold. Look at gold. Look at gold. God just got it. He be ordering my sets, boy. I tell you, I wish I wasn't such a knucklehead when I was, a little bit younger, boy. I listen more to the big guy upstairs because God got you, bro. I'm telling you, if you just release and let yourself go and step out on faith, man, God will do some wonders for you. But see, God been doing it anyway. Come on now. Can I get an amen from YouTube and Facebook? Can I get an amen from Zoom? Huh? Can we put 555 in the chat? Can we do that? Can we do that for God? Huh? Because he's the one that woke you up this morning. Yeah. Well, Hey, Uncle Cut, I didn't come here for all that. Hey, you probably did, but you probably need it. That's probably why God told me to say what it says. Say, I believe in being obedient. I ain't gonna have God beat up on me. I do not want no whooping from that man. He got some big hands. I ain't having him trying to put them on me. I'm good. I'm good. Amen. 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 Be unplugged. I know be unplugged because I be unplugged too. I got to unplug from the matrix, baby. I have to plug into God. Hey, I love it. I love it. So, guys, as you can see, we are truly, 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 truly going to the upper room right here, right? We headed north. And I'm looking for price to go ahead and come all the way back up. That's right. I want price to come back up to 1.39. 1.39. That's the overall move that we have on the weekly. All right. Now, that's several weeks. Okay. Work with me. Work with me. Work with me. Work with me. Now, I'm gonna show you guys a little trick. Just a little trick. A little something, something. A little something, something. A little something, something. Okay, fix this. There we go. I'm gonna show you a little trick. We're just slowly making these higher highs and higher lows. And look what she's doing right here. See, that's some stuff right there. We're looking for prices to blast off. All right. But why are we looking for price to blast off? Because I'm gonna tell you right now, the government ain't gonna allow that doggone dollar to dump so that way these other countries can take advantage of that situation. That ain't gonna happen. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Ain't a Republican or a Democrat that's gonna allow that to happen. I don't care what you say. You can say what you want. I'm gonna tell you what I know. That ain't gonna happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little something right here. And I said it. That's right. You can say, you can blame me all you want. You can go ahead and call. You can call whoever you want. You can call your mama too if you need to. You can tell her I said it. They are not going to allow that US dollar to dump the way that these other countries want it to dump. They want the destruction of the United States. That ain't happening. Not over here. Not on this watch. It ain't happening. It ain't happening. So y'all can go ahead and take y'all's little theories and stuff like that. Ain't gonna happen. It ain't gonna happen when you think it's gonna happen. Okay. But as of right now, no. That's not gonna happen over here. No. I can't speak for next year, but I know for right now, no, that's not gonna happen. No. So we're looking for buys on the US dollar, USD CAD. We're definitely looking for buys on that. Oh yeah, definitely. I'm definitely wanting to see that. Yeah. Definitely want to see buys on the US dollar. Oh, that is so pretty. All right, Elon, we don't need to talk to you right now. You already got enough of my money. I ain't give you no more money. You know, I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna have some fun here with the US dollar, the USD CAD. All right. We are going to have a great time with the USD CAD. All right. I want to see the US dollar push down one more time. Okay. I want the US dollar to come down one more time. I would like to see that. I'm not saying that it will. I'm just telling you what I would like to see. I would like to see the US dollar go a little bit deeper in its retracement and then push up. So it would be something like this. Where's my annotation? So it'll be boom, 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 and then work its way back up. Okay. That's what I would like to see. I want to see that drop. I want her to dump just a little bit deeper. All right. I want to kind of go ahead and knock this out and knock this out. I want her to knock out these levels here. And then once she knocks that out, let her do what she did do and then break up and then keep on going. All right. I would like to see that happen. All right. So right now I'm calling it on the 30-minute. We're going to look for a nice little retracement. Okay. A nice retracement and then look for the break up. All right. Look for the break up. All right. Okay. All right. That's what I'm looking at right now. All right. So let's go ahead and clear that out the way. All right, let's go look at some JPY pairs, huh? Let's look at some JPY pairs. Let's look Matter of fact, let's go back to my market email. I gotta have that edge, baby. I want that edge, baby. I gotta have that edge. Yeah, I gotta have that edge. Okay, let's look at NZDJPY. Okay, that's the third worst. The third worst. All right, let's go check out NZDJPY. NZDJPY. MOUSE. Oh! Now see, if you was on time, we could have caught this nice little drop. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where my zoomers? Where my zoomers at? Zoom. Kid, E-Life. Look at this. 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 Just look at this. Look at this. Look at this mess. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, that is just since midnight. Oh, my heart is just. Whew. Oh my goodness. That is about as clean as my mama's doggone kitchen floor. And you know mama how back in the day was clean. Mama didn't play that. I'm talking about big mama. I'm talking about grandmama house. I didn't say mama house was messy. No. Mama house was always clean. She didn't play that because her mama taught her that, which was my grandma. But anyway, that's another story. I'm just saying that is clean. That is so, this is even clean. Look how clean this drop was right here, y'all. Ooh. Oh, that was a beautiful 23 pips. Oh my goodness. See, seeing stuff like that get me excited. You feel me? It get me excited. All right, let's do a quick top-down analysis on this. Y'all okay out there? Can y'all hear me? If y'all can hear me, go ahead and put 357 in the chat for me. Come on, talk to me. 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 Let me go ahead and remove all these drawings. All right, so currently right now, overall, we are truly bullish. Ain't no doubt about it. We are truly bullish on NZD JPY overall, and that's on the monthly time frame. Y'all see that? All right. I look forward to the fall of anything that's JPY, because when that dragon raises his head from his nice sleep, his nice nap, I promise you, it's gonna be hellfire and brimstone. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's gonna be a problem. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a problem. All right. It's definitely gonna be a problem.
Might be a great project manager.
Okay.
You
now,
enhance your skills. Then get this course on Udemy. You'll learn the tools and techniques.
Get this weekly here.
And you'll be ready for certification that's truly career-changing. Get the skills, get the confidence, get this course.
I like to see price come down and take this out right here. I'm showing you guys right now. I'm making this call for y'all, not for me. Not for me. I would like to see price break. Uh-oh, sorry about that, guys. All right, there we go. Unfortunately, Uncle Luther's not available today. And so I gotta do this and play some music. I'm not doing too hot. He does definitely a better job. But he should be back on Thursday. All right. I'm looking for price to come at least break here at 91 spot even. All right, 91 spot 000. I want price to break this here and then start possibly looking for more ups. But if she continuously to go down, hey man, I ain't gonna be mad at you. I ain't gonna be mad at you at all about that. All right. So I just wanted to go ahead and share that with you. Yeah, I want to share that with you. But overall, ladies and gentlemen, we are truly bullish on the overall on NZD JPY. All right. On the lower time frame, though, guys, it's bearish. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and look at this daily. Okay. So, boom, right here came up. Now we're looking to come down. All right. Again, I'm looking for this thing to drop I would like to see her drop another 27 to about 65 pips. All right, so 30 to 60 pips I would like to see her drop. All right, so let's go down here to the 4 hour. And I believe I'm going to get my wish. All right, I believe I'm going to get my wish on the New Zealand, Japanese yen. I believe I am. We're going to see about that. We're going to see about that. If we break this area here, all right? So as we get a little bit more down into the woods here, we need to break this area, all right? We need to break this zone. This zone is about 7 pips. So I say anywhere from 7 to 10 pips. If we can break through this clearly, and this is the 4 hour time frame, we have a new 4 hour candle because it's currently 9:08 Eastern Standard Time, 9:08 Eastern Standard Time, 9:08. So we have a new 4 hour candle. If we can get a clear break of this, then yes, I'm definitely going to be looking for sales. All right. If we do not break this area, look for price to go back up. All right. Look for price to go back up to do this. All right. Let me get my little pen here. All right. So look for price to come back up. Start preaching right back up to take out these relative equal highs here to keep on going. All right. I'm going to draw that again for you. Make it a little bit neater. All right. Kind of bring this down. There we go. All right. If we don't break this price point at, say, 91,200, if we don't, then look for price to go back up. All right. So we're looking for this. I would like to see it break, come back, and then continue to go on. If it doesn't, then look for this. Come here, come back up. If we cut up here and we break this previous high on this 4 hour, I'm looking for price to come back down and then it continues to go back up. All right. At least to 92,800. All right. So I'm making that call. 92,800. That's the call I'm making. 92,804, 92,800. Okay. 92 spot 800. 92 spot 800. 92 spot 800. If we don't break. If we break, then I'm looking for price to continuously to go down for those 30 to 60 pips. All right. All right. So that's my analysis on that. I got something in the chat here. 3-5. There we go. Amen. All right. Okay. So delete that. Excuse me. I hope you guys took pictures of that. Hope you did. All right, let's look at USD JPY. Doing the same thing. Missed out on this trade. Oh my goodness. I had this thing marked up to the T. You hear me? I had this marked up to the T. All right. Yeah. I really want to see what 9:30 is going to look like this morning. Yeah, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Yeah, I would definitely like to see her drop here a little bit further, and then we start getting a push up on this. And this is the 4 hour. All right. Yeah, I like to see this happen right here, guys. I like to see her drop. All right, drop, and then look for a break. Once we get that break, we're going back up. All right. Why you say that, Uncle Cut? Why you say that? Look at it. Look at it. At the end of the day, we're overall bullish. Look at this. Come on, guys. Come on. You guys have been following Uncle Cut long enough. I know y'all been watching Dr. Greg like a hawk. He can't move without y'all knowing he moving, right? When I move, you move, just like that, right? Come on now. Okay, so that's what we're looking at there. All right, I'm looking for that push up. So anytime price comes down, I'm looking for buys. No matter what, I'm looking for buys. I'm looking for price to push up. Okay. Looking for price to push up. Okay. Looking for price to push up. Well, Uncle Cut, you gonna tell us what these things is? Is this artwork on your chart? Nope. I ain't telling you nothing. I ain't doing it. Nope. I ain't doing it. Nope. You can't make me. Nope. You can't make me. You can't make me. Nope. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. Nope. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it today. I might do it tomorrow, maybe. No, I ain't gonna do it tomorrow. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't even gonna do it tomorrow. I ain't telling you. You're gonna have to have a conversation. You're gonna have to have a conversation with somebody. And that person's name is Dr. Greg McLeod. Okay. Matter of fact, you know what, guys? Let's make some money. Y'all want to make some money? If you want to make some money, go ahead and put 357 in the chat. Yeah, you want to make some money? Let's make some money. Y'all want to make some money? If y'all don't want to make no money, that's not a problem. Okay. I guess somebody don't want to make no money. Oh, okay. I just want to come and see the monkey do the show. Is that what it was? Okay, I'll make some money by myself there. That's not a problem. I'll make some money by myself, and then we're gonna be straight. Okay, I'll just make some money by myself. That's what I'm about to do right now. I'm gonna make some money on my own. That's right. I'm about to make some money on my own. That's what I'm about to do right now. I make some money on my own. Matter of fact, I'm making some money right now. Ain't that something? Yep, I'm still making some money on GU. Okay, so what was that? What was that pair? I'm gonna make some money on my own. I ain't even gonna tell you. I ain't telling you nothing. Nope. No. What pair was this? USD JPY? Okay. USD JPY. Okay. USD JPY. I'm about to make my own money. You know what? Y'all just not being nice people today. I don't know why y'all don't want to be nice. They're just supposed to show that love. I don't know why y'all don't want to show no love. Y'all supposed to be showing love. I don't know why y'all don't want to show no love. It's okay to show love. Let's go. Okay, DJ SOA, baby. What's up? What's poppin', pimpin'? What's up? How you living? You living? You living large? Cause I know you ain't living small. I know you ain't living. DJ SOA, baby. No. I know you ain't living small about nothing. I know you definitely ain't living small. USD JPY. Damn. All right. I'm gonna put that on there. We're gonna make us a little bit of money today. Let's make a little money today. Let's make a little money. See if I can make a little money. I'm gonna make a little money. Let's make a little money today. Let's make a little money today. Yeah, let's make a little money. Let's make a little money. Let's make a little money. Let's make a little money today. Y'all make a little money? Well, you know what? We're gonna make a little. We're gonna make a little bit of money. We're gonna make a little money today. Let's make a little money today. Huh? Let's make a little money today. Let's make a little money today. Y'all want to make a little money today? I don't know. I don't think y'all want to make no money today. I'm gonna make it by myself. Yeah. Matter of fact, you know what? I'm gonna turn off my camera. That's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna turn my camera off. That I ain't even gonna look at you while I'm pushing this button. I just can't even look at you. I don't even want you to look at me. No. Just close your eyes. Just close your eyes. I'm closing my eyes. I'm gonna close my eyes. And I'm gonna do this all by myself. Matter of fact, DJ SOA. Let's go make some money by ourselves. B, let's go make some money. Ain't nobody else want to talk to me. Yeah, let me see. How many entries did I put in, y'all? Yeah, I lost count. Man, I lost count. How many did I put in? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I lost count. Oh my goodness. What should do? What should I do? Fellas, what should I do? Here. Eli. DJ SOA. What should I do? Y'all gonna have to tell me what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm just as lost. I don't know what to do. What should I do? I don't know how many trades I put in. What should I do? Should I put in some more trades? You think I should put it? Y'all tell me if, okay, look, here's the deal. If I should put in more trades, put in on one. If I should not put in more trades, put two. Y'all tell me what to do. I'm gonna sit here and I'll wait. Okay, there's somebody in Zoom land. Ken said wait. Okay, Ken, I'm gonna wait. Ken said wait. All right, let's see what they say in YouTube land. Let's see what they say in YouTube land. Let's see what they say in YouTube land. You do you cut. DJ SOA said, you do you cut. I ain't gonna mess with you, Pepper. Okay, all right. So I'm not gonna put no more trades in. I'm just gonna let these sit right here. Okay? Is that all right with y'all? Is it okay? We can do that? Okay. Okay. All right. I'm just gonna sit right here. We just gonna watch paint dry. Y'all want to watch paint dry? I like watching paint dry. I do. It just makes me feel all cool inside. You know what I'm saying? You know, it just makes me just relax. Be at peace with the paint. You know what I mean? I like being at peace with the paint. Yeah. I like being at peace with the paint. I do. Okay. We're gonna keep seeing over here. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep looking over here. All right. Oh, look, cut, it's turning back on you. Yeah, that's fine. I don't care. Let it turn back. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna show you. I ain't gonna tell you. I'm gonna show you. I ain't gonna tell you. And yes, I am on the 32nd. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am on the 32nd time frame. And you know what? I like the 32nd, to be honest with you. I mean, yeah, I'm going to tell you what's dangerous is the 15. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Parental discretion is advised. Little children of the world, don't try the 15-second unless your parent is right there with you. We don't want nothing to happen to you over here at Elite Traders University. But if you choose to go ahead and not listen, well, you go ahead and put your money at risk and not ours. Well, we thank you. And this is a public service announcement. I'm your host, Uncle Phil. Okay, now that we got that out the way, how's everybody doing? Everybody doing all right? So what's good, DJ? What you do this weekend, pimpin'? Come on, pimpin'. What you do this weekend, boy? I know you did something great. You always doing great things. I can feel it in my spirit that you do great things. Yeah. $3:20 in the morning. Oh, that is a blessing. That's a blessing. Yeah, I remember you. You are in. Are you in Auckland? Are you in Auckland? Because I've always wanted to come visit Auckland. I've always wanted to visit Auckland. Currently 3:20 in the morning, all the way from New Zealand. Wow, that's beautiful. That is awesome. That you up at 3-something in the morning, hanging out with Uncle Cut. I'm telling you, I'm touched. I'm touched from the deepest part of my heart. I say thank you. Oh, I wonder why that doggone trade dropped. I guess we in the money. If you in the money, I want you to put 777 in the chat. I need you to put 777 in the chat. 777, baby. I need triple sevens up in this piece. Come on, like a 7-piece chicken nugget meal. Come on now. With some extra barbecue sauce. Come talk to me. That's right, come talk to me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We in there. We in it to win it, baby. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna. No. I'm not gonna lie to you. I can't afford to. But I'm gonna tell you this right now, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to join me live, that's right. If you want to join me live, if you really want to go ahead and get in when I get in, oh Lord, because I'm gonna tell you right now, right? Oh, come on now. Come on now. My man said I'm in there making some money, Uncle Cut. I'm making some money. I'm making some money. I'm making some money. That's what we do. We cut the rope so that way you can truly be elite. All right. Now, if you really want to take the trades that I take and really follow me up close and personal, all right, and in my trading life and how I look at trades and how I maneuver in these markets, you'll be able to do that. Yes. Hey, Sean, what's happening? Sean, talk to me. How you doing? How's your people's doing? Everybody good, man? It is good to see you. It is good to see you. You know who I haven't seen in a while? I haven't seen Dirk and his beautiful family. If y'all happen to see Dirk, please tell him Uncle Cut said hello to him and his beautiful wife, and we say thank you for them because they are truly, truly an inspiration. Thank you so much, Sean. I will definitely look at that at 9:40. Yeah, be looking at that news at 9:45 and 10. All right, appreciate you. Yeah, we in the money. We in the money. Let's see how much money we done made so far. It's time to pull back on this. Gosh, darn it. That's okay. I'm not worried about that. I'm still in the hole with GU. I'm still in the hole with GU. Me and GU gonna have a different type of conversation. That's what GU and I are gonna have. We're gonna have a different conversation. I promise you that. All right, getting a tad bit of a pullback. On you, Jay. CAD news is coming out. PMI. All right. Back into the positiveness. Back into the positiveness. Okay. I've been holding these GU trades for a couple of days now. Yeah, this is day 2. Yeah, because I entered yesterday on GU. Now UJ, GU. Oh, come on, GU. GU just been playing with me. He's been playing. That's okay. I'm not worried about it. We're up like $70. I ain't tripping about that. Yep, I'm in Auckland, bro. I'm a full-time barber, part-time DJ, and trader with Dr. Greg's learning. Yes, that's right. That's right. That's awesome. Hey, I'd love to hear some of your music, man. If you're on YouTube, let me know. You know, send me your YouTube site, man. I would love to listen to your music. Seriously, I would love to hear it. That's awesome. All right. Let's see what we got. All right. We got some Canadian news coming out. The S&P Global Services PMI in about 2 minutes. Up about $100 now. GU's trying to act right. Finally. I think I'm gonna get out of GU once I get back in profit again. I've been dealing with GU since yesterday. They have not been playing nice at all, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we got about 2 minutes before CAD news pops off. And that's 2 minutes before the foreign exchange markets open up. So let's go ahead and look at USD CAD, shall we? USD CAD has been dump city, baby. Yeah. Yep. USD CAD, dump city. That's okay. That's all right. Then we're going to get a little bit of a pull up, and then we're going to continue going back down with USD CAD. I think that was a nice trade with USD CAD coming up there. Yeah, that trade. Matter of fact, it could have went up a little bit more, but I saw what I saw. And we got about 1 minute. 1 minute before USD CAD news. I'm thinking CAD is going to be quite strong. I think it's going to beat the US dollar today. I think it's going to beat the US dollar today. About 30 seconds. If you guys are enjoying yourself today, go ahead and put 111 in the chat. Please put 111 in the chat. We've got about 20 seconds. Let's go check on our trades. All right, we are definitely in blues. And the USD JPY. We're definitely in blues on USD JPY. All right. We're in blues. All right, now we got the pullback. We got a tad bit of a pullback on USD CAD, which I said we're looking forward to pull back and then look forward to continuously to drop. All right. Nice little pullback. It was a nice little something. Little Sean. Let me see, 9:30 on the dot. So we had a nice little pullback for about 3.9 pips. So about 4 pips. We had a pullback of 4 pips. A little bit of correction. I love it. Ah. Okay, pushing up a little bit more. About 4.6 pips. Guys, please understand, that looks like a lot. It's actually not. We're on the 30-second time frame. Now, I'm going to show you what that really looks like. Uh-oh, I dropped my mouse. Well, I tell you, this mouse be catching it. It be getting dropped and thrown around. He still ain't broke yet. He just a strong mouse. This must be Mighty Mouse right here. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Look at that. Come on, guys. This is the reason why you need to be in ETU. Because see, we have something called a predictive function. Yeah. We have something called a predictive function. See, we know what time it is before it's even time. Now, if you want to know more about what time it is before it's time, I'm telling you, you need to have a conversation with somebody. His name is Dr. Greg McLeod. That's right, senior educator, founder, CEO. My friend, my prayer partner. Yeah. That's my buddy right there. He can call me at 2 o'clock in the morning. I might be half asleep. Yeah, my breath may be a little funky, like a monkey's behind, but that's all right. I'm gonna talk to my brother, because he wouldn't be calling me at 2 o'clock in the morning just to see how I was doing. No. He calling me because he need to talk. He need to vent. He need to share something with me. Let's see. That's what we do. That's when you call people really family. That's what you do. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look. See at USD JPY.
كن محترفا مع أولم تريد. احصل على جميع النصائح.
All right, USD JPY. All right, she pulled back on me. I'm not concerned about that. She came down, she pulled back. And she coming back on down again, because that's what we do. Let's look at GU, GBP, USD. And she came back down. Okay. Let's go back to our trade at hand. All right. A little bit of a pullback right here. A little bit of a pullback right here. Kind of bring this down a little bit, guys. So I can draw me a... I'm staying on a little bit longer with you guys today. Just a little bit. Make this a little bit thicker. There it is. There. There you are. My intent is to make anywhere from $100 to $500 a day. $100 to $500 today. A day. 100 to 500 a day. 100 to 500 a day. Now just think about that. You make $500. Let's say best case scenario, you make $500 a day. That's $2,500 a week. That's $10,000 a month. That's $120,000 a year. By making simply $500 a day. Now let's just say you do worst case scenario. You only make $100 a day. Okay, that's $500 a week. That's $2,000. All right, that's what, five? That's $2,000 a month. That's $24,000 a year. Aren't you still winning? Aren't you still winning? By my calculations, you are. Because see, at first you didn't have that $500 a week. You didn't have that $100 a day. You didn't have that extra $2,000 a month. Come on now. I know I'm talking to somebody out there. You ain't got to put your name in. It's okay. I don't even want you to do that. But I know I'm talking to somebody today. Put yourself in a position of power. Give yourself permission to win. That's right. I'm telling you that right now. Give yourself permission to win. Because you deserve to be successful. It's time that you cut the rope. It's time that you go ahead and put yourself, like I always say, put yourself in a position of power. So when you put yourself in a position of power, that means you made a decision. That means that you cut all the negativity that's around you, the naysayers, the people who's talking about you. I'm gonna tell you something right now. I'm gonna be very transparent with you. The people who's talking about you, why don't you really give them something to talk about? Because I must be a very, very important person. I know I'm a VIP because I'm always coming out the side of your mouth. Come on now. I'm always coming out your mouth for a reason. And if I'm coming out your mouth, that must mean I'm a VIP. I'm about to really give you something to talk about. Now go tell your mama that. Yeah. Go tell your mama that. Go tell your mama that. All right. I want you to. Okay, we got a nice little pullback happening right now on UJ. I'm not concerned about it. I'm not concerned about it. I'm not concerned about it. It's only 9:37. And I'm gonna hold this trade. That's right. Well, Uncle Cut, where's your stop loss? Why are you concerned about my stop loss? My question to you is, where is your stop loss? Where is your stop loss at? See? You gotta know where your stop loss is. How much are you willing to risk? Win, lose, or draw. So you have to make that decision for yourself. Dr. Greg cannot make that decision for you. I cannot make that decision for you. You have to make that decision for yourself. It's currently 9:38, 8 minutes into Forex opening session. 38 minutes into the opening of the stock and bond market. I'm your host. I'm always doing the most, representing the north, the south, the east and west of all the coasts. But always remember, the south got something to say. You can definitely believe that. We're hailing all the way to South Africa, Auckland, New Zealand, doggone it, Dominican Republic, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Dubai. I'm gonna say it the right way, Dubai. I'm gonna say Dubai. I'm gonna be on my best behavior today. And it's a blessing to have each and every one of you here. It was like, Cut, why are you so happy? You losing right now, am I? Or is it giving me more room to put more trades in? See, it's all about how you look at things. If you look at things in a negative way, guess what? You're gonna have negative. You gotta change your mindset. Okay, so we down about what, 7 pips? Ooh. If I can't handle a 7 pip pullback, I don't need to be trading. Now, if you sit up there and you put in some hammers on that and you over leveraged, then okay, I can understand why you shaking. You're shaking in your boots a little bit. I can understand that. That's why you should never over leverage. Only risk it what you are willing to afford to lose. What are you willing to lose? If you're able to afford to lose that amount, then fine. Are you comfortable with it? That's the reason why we do that risk disclaimer. I'm not always right. Dr. Greg isn't always right. There is no 100% profitable trader out there. There is not a one. Now, there are very successful traders out there. Yes, it is. But there is no perfect 100% trader out there. There is not one. Because they didn't call the L. And I promise you they didn't call some big ones too. I'm talking about some gigantuan doggone losses. Gigantuan losses, if I can make that as a word, gigantuan. All right. But this is where we at right now. So, yep, I am in the hole about 8 pips right now. 8 pips, but I'm not stressing. I know what I'm willing to lose. All right, we got PMI coming out. PMI coming out for the US dollar in about 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Sean already told us that. I appreciate you, Sean. 3 minutes. Consensus says 51.3. Previous numbers is at 52.5. S&P Global Services. Got about 2 minutes and 40 seconds when that news comes out. Currently, we are about 9 pips in a hole. Oh, 7.1. 7.1 pips in a hole. Multiply that by the amount of entries that I have. But I'm not going to tell you those entries. I'm not going to give you my entry number. I don't want to scare you away. Yeah, I don't want to scare you away. All right, we got about 1 minute and 45 seconds before Red Photo News comes out. We're talking about the PMI for the US dollar. Consensus says 51.3. Previous is 52.5. This is your host, Uncle Cut, bringing it to you from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I'm glad that you joined us this morning. I'm having the time of my life with you. And I'm glad you guys are having a great time with me, and you showed up to watch the monkey do his tricks. 9:43, 9:43, 9:43. We got 1 minute, 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 9:44 on the dot, 9:44. We got 1 minute, 9:45. We got US dollar red folder news coming out. Love that snare drum. It's just awesome. Whoever created the snare drum needs to have a Pulitzer surprise or something. You feel me? I'm for real. They do. GU is back in profit. I had no doubt that GU was going to be in profit. UJ is just having a problem. But GU always moves before UJ, so that's why I'm not concerned about it. All right, we got about 10 seconds. I'm going to close and close some of these. I'm going to close some of my GU pairs. No, not yet. I still got a couple more that needs to go in profit. A couple more entries that need to go in profit. Oh, whoa. Wow. That turned around on me pretty doggone quickly. Ooh, look at that spike. Goody Google. That thing jumped up. 16 pips. Whoa. That ran up 9.3 pips. Numbers must have been great. Let's go ahead and check those numbers out real quick. Come on, Jamie. Where you go? Oh, economic calendar. There we go. Woo-wee. Come on, economic calendar. Move. Come on. Should have had that already at the ready, huh? All right, where we at? Actually, the numbers came out at 51.3. Interesting, from 52.5. So that was good for the US dollar. Good for the US dollar. All right, well, let's see if it can hold it. All right, let's see if it can hold it. Let's see if it can hold it. Let's see if it can hold it. I don't think it's going to hold it. And I'm going to tell you why. Because we got this big exhaustion candle right here. All right. see how many pips I'm in the hole right now. Currently, about 12.9, 13 pips. Just make it even number, 13 in the hole. 13 in the hole. GU is back in blue. We're going to go ahead and take a look at GU real quick. Just real quick, ladies and gentlemen. Have a look, see at GU. There we go. Just a little tight. Aywa. There you go. That's what I need. Just like that. And one more question. I need to get that break. Get that break. Get that break all the way back up here. Looking for this to come back for GU. Looking for it to come back up. Well, first off, at minimum, looking for her to come back here. And that is price point 1 spot 27. Matter of fact, we'll make it a 1 spot 27 100. 1 spot 27 100. 1 spot 27 100. And then I want her to come up to about here. I have 1 spot 27 400. Yeah, 400. 1 spot 27 400 is the ultimate TP, and I'm basing that off of the 4 hour. So I'm looking. Let's see what it do from here. So, looking for 11 to 44 pips. Okay, 11 to 44 pips. All right. Go back to UJ real quick. UJ's still pushing up. UJ's still pushing up. UJ's still pushing up. Do you still DJ cut now and then? No, I don't. I haven't been at a radio station. Oh my gosh, brother, in years. But I've always dreamed to have my own. But now, since technology has changed drastically, when I was at the radio station, I used to work for Z92.3 KIIZ KISS Radio in Killeen, Texas. Worked radio at colleges and universities, broadcast with them on their channels, worked overseas on the radio. So yeah, I've done some great things in Alaska. Guess I've been there. So it's KIIZ in Texas and then KISS in Alaska. I don't remember what the other radio station brand names were. But yeah, I actually enjoyed it. But now you can do podcasts. You can have your own internet radio show. So my grandmother always said I talk too doggone much, so I guess I got paid pretty good money to talk a lot, right? And now I can probably get paid way more money now that I got these podcasts out here. So we'll see. Currently right now, we are in the hole about 14, 15 pips on USD JPY. I am holding this for the long term. Normally I should have had this out, for 10 pips, but I know overall where she's going. All right. And that's just the way it is. But I am holding this trade for the long term. I'm definitely looking for her to come back down to at least 149 even, 149 even. I'm looking for that price point. As of right now, once we get that, then we're going to look for the US dollar to push right back up. Okay. So that's my call right now. It's currently 9:54 and a half. 9:54 and 30 seconds. I'm leaving you guys in about one more minute, and then I'm gonna get my belly full because I haven't eaten in a long time. I haven't eaten. Matter of fact, I had a snack this morning, and that was about it. So yeah, Jamie needs to put some food in this belly. Yeah, I need it because I got a couple of hours before I go to bed because I've got to get up quite early in the morning and do some great things. So, yeah, so I want to let you guys know that. But it has been a pleasure. Guys, keep your eyes on this trade to include GU, all right? To include GU. And then we're just going to go from there, all right? Currently, right now, we are in the red. We are not in blues. We're currently in the red. I don't foresee us to be in the red for much longer. All right. And then tomorrow, I will not be available tomorrow. Unfortunately, I have a meeting that I need to be at this meeting with my current profession, and I am not able to get out of that meeting. So what I will do is on Thursday, I will go probably an extra hour with you on Thursday. All right. So look forward to that I'll be looking to do possibly an extra hour on Thursday with you guys. Okay. And I may even start a little bit earlier. I will let you know on Wednesday in the Facebook group. All right. So on behalf of Dr. Greg McLeod, I want to say thank you. I want to say thank you for you. I want to say thank you for you because you showed up this morning, and that right there is a perfect beginning on your road to success in trading. God loves you. I love you. There ain't nothing you can do about it. It's your boy, Uncle Cut. Deuces.